Okay, well, today we're going to be exploring Codewars, and I wanted today to look for an interesting problem that we could do with Python. So I want it to be one that's fairly quick. It's not going to take us a long time. So I'm going to just go to the site codewars.com. You see I'm logged in, and I'll pick a problem I have not trained on. And let's pick one of the easier ones, maybe a level 7. And let's even sort by popularity. What's the most popular? Then lastly, we'll go ahead and add in here Python. So it's going to be only Python problems. And we see the first problem that comes up is sum even numbers. So let's read it and see if we can do it in a reasonable amount of time. Complete the function that takes a sequence of numbers as a single parameter. Your function must return the sum of the even values of this sequence. Only numbers without decimals like 4 or 4.0 can be even. The input is a sequence of numbers, integers, and or floats. Okay, so there's a few twists in here, but I think we can do it with a one-liner. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to return the sum of whatever we get in here. So we're going to say if I modulus 1 equals 0 for I in sequence. So we want it to be even. Can't be I modulus 1, it has to be I modulus 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this here. And let's see. I think this part has to go back here. Let's go back here. There we go. So, pretty common mistake. I put the if on the wrong side with this generator. I actually don't think I need to make this into a list. I think I can just sum it like this. And yes, that does work. So I think this is the quickest way as a one-liner to do it. I didn't get it on the first try, but again, that's why you try things to see if they work. Right? So how does this syntax work? Well, we're summing up everything inside of the parentheses. So we're going to say I for I in sequence. So this is just a for each. Go through every item in the sequence. But we only want to keep I if I modulus 2 gives you no remainder. Remember, modulus keeps dividing a number in to see if there's a remainder. So now we can attempt it. Sometimes there's a bit of a lag with Codewars. And we see it's correct. And then we're just going to submit it. There we go, submitting the final solution. Now it's very fun when you look, they used if not and modulus 2. Mine looks more like this. Well, thank you so much for solving with me.